If you want to get more work as a notary signing agent, look on signing order. They have a new feature. Well, it's new to me. Job board that I didn't even know that they had. I know they had a feature on here that stated where you wanted to extend your service areas that you provide services to, but I did not know anything about this job board. So if any of you knew anything about the job board, why you didn't tell us all? So I'm trying to tell us all, okay? So if you've been wondering like, how can I get work? How can I get work? Go to this platform right here, signingorder.com. This is where you can tell them where you provide services. You enter the zip code. It was $2.99 per, I think, 30 zip codes. I'm not quite sure, but this right here tells you exactly. Click each link and it'll tell you a little bit more about it. So this is a job board. This is what it looks like. So orders appear right here that you can bid to get. Now, only because you bid to get it don't mean you're going to get accepted for it, but this is a little easy way to see what orders are coming up in your area, and it tells you the price too. Now, I stumbled upon this last night because I got an order, and when I went into signing order, I seen that they had this new job board feature. So I just leave my job board open on my computer screen, so when orders come in, I can grab them if I want to grab them. This is the fee right here, so you can read up on it on yourself. I had the free plan for a very long time until I started making money in my business. But right here on the job board is $3.89. The lowest is $5.49. So I have the ultimate plan for $5.49. So I guess it gives you ultimate leads for jobs if you select a particular area code that you want leads to be sent your way. So look into this. This platform is called signingorder.com. If you're a signing agent wondering how can you get work, you don't want to sign it to all the multiple different signing companies, check Signing Order out. Let me know if it helps.